I made over $1 million in 3 months so far this year as an affiliate marketer. So does affiliate marketing work in 2023? Let's talk about it.
Joining us is my man, Keala Kanae.
Keala Kanae takes entrepreneurs on a journey to grow their business.
He has done over $75 million in revenue.
First, let me start by saying I'm a little bit shy to share some of the information that I'm going to share with you in this video because my camera guy, Sam's going to expect to get paid after this.
Wait, people are actually getting paid for this?
So does affiliate marketing work in 2023? Well, as one of my business partners likes to say, arithmetic is not an opinion. So rather than give you my opinion, let's just show you some math really quick. This right here is what I call my daily dashboard. It's a spreadsheet that I use to govern my entire business. All the data is input every morning by someone on my staff, and at a glance, I get to see how well the business is performing day by day, month by month, year over year. Well, what you're going to want to pay attention to is this little piece right down there at the bottom. See, in March of 2023, we did $315,736.61 in commissions purely selling other people's products and services. Right here's another one. April of 2023, we did $439,982.58 in commissions selling somebody else's products and services. Here's another one. May of 2023, we did $335,664.74 in pure commissions selling somebody else's products and services. But wait, it gets better. Here's another screenshot from March's daily dashboard, and what you're going to want to pay attention to is these 5 rows here near the bottom. See, that represents a promotion that we recently did where we sold somebody else's product to our audience. And you can see that we brought in $524,325 in sales in just 4 days. Mind you, a good deal of those sales were actually payment plans. So once it all trued up, this promotion brought in over $600,000 in revenue. That brings us to a grand total in just 90 days here so far in 2023 of $1,615,708.93. And don't forget that 93 cents, by the way. That's what pays for our man Sam over here.
Wait,
now, if that weren't enough proof for you, I just recently returned from an event in Tampa, Florida, where I was invited to be a speaker at an affiliate marketing conference. Now, as a result of scheduling conflicts, unfortunately, I wasn't able to take the stage, but I was able to fly in and hang out and catch up with a few friends of mine. Turns out that the guy who was hosting the event is actually a brand new affiliate marketer, just got started recently on one of the major affiliate networks, and did over $20 million in his first year. This is an interesting story. This guy apparently decided that he wanted to learn affiliate marketing and knew that he needed a mentor or a coach. He found somebody that he wanted to model after, and that person told him that they were willing to teach him one-on-one, but they were going to be going on a trip for about 90 days. So if he was willing to quit his job, travel with that potential mentor, and learn from him for 90 days, that mentor would show him everything that he knew. Well, he quit his job, traveled with his newfound mentor, and apparently learned quite a few things because upon his return, he joined an affiliate network called Digistore24. I just so happened to be hanging out with one of their key executives. And he did over $20 million his first year. Now, there's a few key takeaways from this video. Number one, obviously affiliate marketing is still working in 2023. I just gave you a bunch of mathematical proof of that. On top of that, number two, the individual that I just spoke about who was just hosting that event out there in Tampa, Florida. There's several things that we can learn from that. Number one, he identified a skill that he wanted to learn. Number two, he found somebody who had the results that he wanted to have. And number three, he took a risk and invested in coaching and mentoring. Now, of course, most of us probably don't have the liberty of being able to just quit a job and travel overseas for 90 days. But the good news is that you don't have to. In fact, one of my companies, Full Stack Marketer, every day we help average, ordinary folks start their own affiliate marketing business. And if you click down below in the description, you'll be taken over to a page where you can learn more about how we can help you build your own affiliate marketing business over the course of just 1 weekend. So listen, hopefully you got the proof that you were looking for that affiliate marketing is still working in 2023. And if you're somebody who is committed to success in both your life and your business, then make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every week when I drop more content like this. And by the way, in case you never met before, my name is Keala Kanae. I'm an entrepreneur that got started while working in a coffee shop like this, and I've gone on now to earn over $100 million in my online business, which I only say so that you know that everything that I'm sharing on my channel comes from the real world knowledge of things I've learned and applied to get those results, which I share here in hopes that they help you get similar results as well. So subscribe, hit that little bell notification, and then watch this next video in the lineup where I'm going to show you how I made my first $1 million as an affiliate.